looking at the critical nature of capacity building, which is required in the field of tunneling, we came up, that is DDAG, Dr. Dhawan Academy of Geologists, and AF Academy came up with a program. And I would just like to share very, very brief details of this program. And we'll just go to the course details. All right. So this is the program, which is an online training program on tunnels and tunneling, which is organized by AFA and DDAG. And the main highlight of the program is the kind of experts which were roped in to deliver this program. So as you can see, like right from all these names are in alphabetical order of surname. So there is no order of seniority here. But as you can see, you have very, very experienced faces, which you can see right from Nita Arora ji, Rajan Bhasin ji, Professor Bilgin, Somnath Chattopadhyay, Yogen Deva Sahab, Dhawan Sahab, Dr. Goyal, Dr. Hoss, etc., etc. Like, because if I start reading the name, it's a lot. We have around 35 to 40 renowned experts in the field of tunneling who are delivering this particular program. Right, so you can, I will share all the details of this brochure with you, whoever is attending this particular program. So these are the experts who are delivering this program. And this program is covering practically every aspect of tunneling, right? Right from introduction to formulating a project, to survey and investigation, to design, to tender and contract management, to tender construction. We have tried to cover each and every aspect of tunneling. And how we conduct this program is the most interesting part. That is, it's online, right? So online means Monday and Thursday, we release 2 lectures each. So practically you have around 1.5 hours to spare every week. And that's how the program progresses. And it's not only online. In between, we have these live interactive sessions where participants can come and ask the questions from the faculty, whatever they could not understand, let's say, during the course of these online lectures. These are the core segments, right from introduction to formulating a project, including the preliminary appraisal, geological appraisal, etc. Then survey of investigation, very detailed. As you can see, practically all the topics of survey and investigations are covered here. All these topics are survey and investigations, including a lot of lectures on ice systems, geophysical, rock mass classification, etc., etc. Then we go to design. Various aspects of designs are covered here. And then tunnel construction. So this is something which is known to be of everyone's benefit. So this is what we call core segment. And then there are certain optional segments. Optional segments are going more in detail, in advanced of survey and investigation, design, tender and contract management, and tunnel construction. So these are the modules which are covered under the optional segment. So one can choose to either go only for the core module or for core and optional module. So this is the kind of program which has been designed. As I said, this is delivered through a learning management system. So once you enroll, you get a unique login ID and a password. And at any point of time, like night at 2 o'clock, on morning at 5 o'clock, or afternoon at 3 o'clock, whenever you get time, you can log in there and go through the lectures, right? So the learning takes place at your own pace, at your own time. And of course, there are places there where you can put your questions right in your panel, and these are again replied by the experts. This is the fee which is there for the program. As I said, you can go to the website, which I'll be showing you, directly enroll yourself, pay the fee, and start the program. So this is a very, very short introduction I thought I'll give of the program, and then I'll just close this. This is the second batch we are going into. So I thought it's important that I also share the feedback of the first batch, where around 200 people attended this program. And now if you look at the feedback, it's very encouraging, and that's how we decided to start with the second batch of this. Were the lectures well prepared? 80% said almost always, and 20% said frequently. Then we had the next question. The instructor explained the lectures clearly. 52.94% said agree. Strongly agree was 41.18, and 2.94 were neutral. The instruction material increased my knowledge and skill in the subject matter. Strongly agree is 64.71%, agree is 29.4%, and neutral 2.94%. The course was organized in a manner that helped me understand the underlying concepts. Again, 58.82 said agree, 38.24 strongly agree. The course gave me the confidence to do more advanced work in the subject. Again, you can see very good feedback with 58.8 saying strongly agree, 32 is agree, and 5.8 neutral. The course was helpful in progress towards my professional skill and career. Again, a huge percentage is saying strongly agree and rest is saying agree. Very small percentage is neutral. I would highly recommend this course to other students. Again, strongly agree and agree almost equally divided and very strong feedback. How we'll rate the course overall? So we have very good, a large population, extremely good, equally large population, and average, a very small population. This is a feedback. I would also like to just give you a few comments which came. Like best professionals in each field have collaborated to give us their experience. The panel is just amazing, one of the best in India. The course was very informative and useful for me. Very informative and true knowledge deliverable course, nicely crafted by complete process of tunneling from investigation to execution via instrumentation, design, contract, and field execution elements. Course has a balanced approach towards theory as well as practical aspects. Systematic approach towards lectures, notes, Q&A. Yeah, this is one more aspect I wanted to cover, that it's not only the videos which you get there, you get the presentation and also the course notes. Every lecture is accompanied by notes of that particular lecture, which is downloadable, which you can keep with you for all times to come. This is a course which helped me learn more than any book on tunneling. And it goes on. Like there are various comments which I had just put here, but because of time, I'm not covering all of that. But this one is very helpful. Tunneling is integral to infrastructure development. And this online training program aims at imparting an in-depth knowledge pertaining to all aspects of tunnel and tunneling pertaining to hydro and transport project at a single platform. So like this, we have number of these beautiful feedbacks from our previous batches. And here, for example, it says, overall, this program is a complete guide to underground works. I'm just picking the lines from there. Very brief highlights. It has around 100 lectures, actually more than 100 lectures, like around 103 or 104 lectures total. Total 35 plus hours of videos. The course is completed in 25 weeks of time. As I said, every week we are releasing 4 lectures. So 2 lectures on Tuesday, 2 lectures on Thursday. Skill level is intermediate to advanced. Language is in English. We provide a certificate which is jointly signed by DDAG and AFA towards the end of your course. Now, this particular batch, which we are starting now, the last date for nomination is September 30, and course will start from October 5th. And for registration, you can go directly to www.tunneling.in. So this is very easy to remember, tunneling.in. Only thing is tunneling with a double L. And you can go on this website and register for this course.